Hey there, laundry enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of everyday chores and how to make them more efficient and eco-friendly. Today, let's talk about washing clothes. It's something we all do, but have you ever stopped to think if you're doing it the right way? We all have our routines, but are they really the best for our clothes and the environment? You might be surprised to learn that many of us are overwashing our clothes. Yes, you heard that right. Overwashing is a common mistake. It's easy to think that more washing means cleaner clothes, but that's not always the case. In fact, sometimes less is more when it comes to laundry. Overloading your washing machine can lead to poor cleaning results and even damage your clothes. We've been conditioned to think that clean means washing after every wear, but this habit can be more harmful than helpful. Overwashing can actually damage your clothes, fade colors, and even harm the environment. The constant agitation and harsh detergents can wear out fabrics faster than you might expect. It's time to break free from the wash everything, every time mentality. Not every piece of clothing needs to be washed after a single use. Think about it. Do your jeans really need a wash after one wear? Probably not. Jeans are designed to be durable and can often go several wears before needing a wash. And your favorite sweater? It might just need a little airing out. Natural fibers like wool can benefit from being aired out rather than washed frequently. We're going to dive deep into the world of laundry and uncover the secrets to keeping your clothes looking their best for longer. From understanding fabric types to choosing the right detergent, we've got you covered. Get ready to revolutionize your laundry routine. We'll explore tips and tricks that not only save you time and money, but also help the environment. So stay tuned and let's make laundry day a breeze. One of the first steps to smarter laundry is understanding those care labels. They're not just there for decoration. They provide crucial information on how to treat your clothes. Sorting your laundry by color and fabric type can prevent damage and keep your clothes looking vibrant. Dark colors, light colors, and delicates all have different needs. Using the right amount of detergent is also key. Too much can leave residue, while too little might not clean effectively. Opt for eco-friendly detergents to reduce your environmental footprint. Modern washing machines come with a variety of settings. Take advantage of them. Use the delicate cycle for fragile items and the heavy-duty cycle for tougher fabrics. Whenever possible, air dry your clothes. It's gentler on fabrics and saves energy. Plus, there's nothing quite like the fresh scent of air-dried laundry. And don't forget about ironing. Properly pressed clothes not only look better but can also extend the life of the fabric by reducing wear and tear. Finally, store your clothes properly. Use hangers for items that wrinkle easily and fold others to save space. A well-organized closet makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your clothes in good condition. By following these tips, you'll not only keep your clothes looking great, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. So, let's make every laundry day a step towards a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, more isn't always merrier when it comes to laundry. Sometimes, a little less can go a long way. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your everyday chores easier and more efficient. See you next time. So, how often should you be washing your clothes? It's a question many of us ponder, especially when faced with a mountain of laundry. The experts at Which have some insights that might just change your laundry routine. They say that most clothes don't need to be washed after every wear. This might come as a surprise to those who are used to tossing everything into the wash after a single use. In fact, overwashing can actually shorten their lifespan. Think about your bras. These delicate items require special care. Which recommends washing them after every 2 to 3 wears, not after every single use. This helps maintain their shape and elasticity. And jeans? They can often go 5 to 10 wears before needing a wash. Denim is a sturdy fabric that doesn't need frequent washing. It's all about being mindful and assessing the actual cleanliness of your clothes. Look for visible stains and give them a sniff test. If it looks clean and smells fresh, it probably is. This approach not only saves time and energy, but also extends the life of your garments. So next time, think twice before throwing everything into the wash. By washing less frequently, you're also being kinder to the environment. Less water and energy consumption means a smaller carbon footprint. Air drying your clothes can also help reduce wear and tear. The sun's natural rays can act as a disinfectant, keeping your clothes fresh. Organizing your wardrobe and rotating your clothes can also help in maintaining their freshness. Give each item a chance to air out between wears. Always check the care labels on your clothes. Following the manufacturer's instructions can prevent damage and keep your clothes looking new for longer. Consider using eco-friendly laundry products. They are gentler on your clothes and the environment. Make laundry a family activity. It can be a fun way to spend time together and teach kids about responsible clothing care. With these expert tips, you can keep your clothes looking great and lasting longer. Happy laundering! Let's talk about jeans, those wardrobe workhorses we all know and love. Overwashing jeans is a common mistake that can lead to faded colors, shrinkage, and a loss of shape. Denim is a durable fabric that doesn't need to be washed as frequently as we think. Experts, including Levi's design director Paul O'Neill, recommend washing jeans every 5 to 10 wears, or even less. Instead of throwing them in the washing machine after every wear, try spot cleaning stains and airing them out between uses. Your jeans will thank you for it. Here's a quick cheat sheet for how often to wash different clothing items. Jeans every 5 to 10 wears or less. Bras every 2 to 3 wears. T-shirts every 1 to 2 wears. Sweaters every 3 to 5 wears, depending on fabric. Pajamas every 2 to 3 wears. Towels after every 3 to 4 uses. Remember, these are just general guidelines. Always check the care label on your clothes for specific washing instructions. Section 5. Expert advice. Listen to the pros. Don't just take it from me. Laundry expert Georgina Bibby says, overwashing is one of the biggest mistakes people make with their clothes. It can really shorten their lifespan. And Levi's Paul O'Neill adds, the less you wash your jeans, the longer they'll last. It's that simple. So, there you have it, straight from the experts. Section 6. Save your clothes and the planet. Washing your clothes less often isn't just good for your clothes. It's good for the environment too. Every load of laundry uses water and energy, so by reducing your wash loads, you're conserving precious resources. Plus, overwashing can release harmful microfibers into the water system, which can end up polluting our oceans. It's a win-win situation for your wardrobe and the planet. Section 7. Common laundry mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's be honest, we've all made laundry mistakes. Whether it's shrinking a favorite sweater or ending up with pink socks, laundry mishaps are more common than you might think. But don't worry, we're here to help. Here are some common blunders and how to avoid them. Using too much detergent. This can leave a residue on your clothes and even damage your washing machine. Excess detergent doesn't necessarily mean cleaner clothes. In fact, it can make your clothes feel stiff and uncomfortable. Use the recommended amount or even a little less. Modern washing machines are designed to be efficient, and a little detergent goes a long way. Always check the detergent bottle for the correct dosage. Not sorting your laundry. Mixing colors and whites can lead to unwanted dye transfers. Imagine your favorite white shirt turning a dull shade of pink because it was washed with a red sock. Always sort your laundry by color and fabric type. This simple step can save you from a lot of heartache. Dark colors, light colors, and whites should all be washed separately. Also, consider sorting by fabric type to prevent damage. Drying clothes on high heat. This can shrink your clothes and fade colors. High heat can be particularly harsh on delicate fabrics and can cause irreversible damage. Opt for a lower heat setting or air dry whenever possible. Air drying is gentler on fabrics and can help maintain the shape and color of your clothes. If you must use a dryer, use the lowest heat setting and remove clothes while they're still slightly damp to finish drying them on a rack. Another common mistake is ignoring the care labels on your clothes. These labels provide valuable information on how to wash, dry, and iron your garments. Following these instructions can extend the life of your clothes and keep them looking their best. For delicate items, consider using a laundry bag. This can protect them from getting tangled or damaged in the wash. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Pre-treating stains before washing is another important step. Applying a stain remover and letting it sit for a few minutes can help lift the stain more effectively during the wash cycle. Finally, don't forget to fold and put away your laundry promptly. Leaving clothes in the dryer or laundry basket can lead to wrinkles and make them harder to iron later. Plus, it keeps your living space tidy and organized. By avoiding these common laundry mistakes, you can keep your clothes looking fresh and new for longer. Happy laundering! Section 8. Decode the care label. Your garment's secret language. Those little tags on your clothes? They're not just for decoration. They're care labels, and they hold the key to keeping your clothes looking their best. Learn to decipher the symbols and instructions on your care labels to avoid any laundry mishaps. For example, a circle with a cross through it means do not dry clean, while a triangle with lines underneath it indicates the recommended ironing temperature. It's like a secret language for your clothes. Section 9, the last spin. Embrace the laundry revolution. So there you have it, folks. It's time to rethink our laundry habits and embrace a more mindful approach to washing our clothes. By washing less often, using the right products, and decoding care labels, we can keep our clothes looking their best for longer while also doing our part for the environment. Remember, less is often more when it comes to laundry. Now go forth and